Friends, Tech Machine Channel has brought the manufacturing process of badminton for you. In today's video, we will see how badminton is made in a factory. The badminton we used to play with our friends on Makar Sankranti. So today in a video, you will see the manufacturing process of our childhood's favorite badminton. Raw material preparation. Material selection. Materials like carbon fiber, graphite, aluminum, or steel are chosen based on the type and quality of the racket being produced. Resin preparation. Epoxy. Resin is prepared for bonding and strengthening the racket structure. Frame manufacturing. Molding. Carbon fiber sheets are cut into specific shapes and placed into molds. These molds define the shape of the racket frame. Heating and curing. The molds are heated in an oven to cure the resin and harden the frame. Trimming. Once cured, excess material is trimmed from the frame to ensure a clean shape. Shaft manufacturing. Material shaping. The shaft is made from carbon fiber or steel tubes. These are cut to precise lengths. Assembly with frame. The shaft is attached to the frame using adhesives or mechanical joints. This step ensures proper alignment and balance. Drilling. Holes for stringing are drilled into the frame using automated machines. These holes are positioned precisely to ensure uniform tension during stringing. Painting and finishing. Painting. The frame and shaft are painted using spray guns or automated machines. This includes applying the base color, decals, and logo. Coating. A protective clear coat is applied to enhance durability and appearance. Drying. The painted racket is dried in an oven or under UV light to fix the paint. Stringing. Strings are threaded through the drilled holes and tensioned to the required level using stringing machines. The string pattern and tension vary depending on the type of racket and intended use. Handle assembly, grip installation. A wooden or composite handle is attached to the shaft. Grip wrapping. The handle is wrapped with synthetic or leather grips for better comfort and control. Quality control. Weight and balance check. Rackets are checked to ensure they meet design specifications for weight, balance, and flexibility. Durability testing. Rackets undergo stress tests to ensure they can withstand regular use. Packaging. Finished rackets are cleaned, labeled, and packed in protective covers or boxes. Batch numbers and barcodes are added for tracking.
Hey sports fans, today we're delving into the world of tennis and football manufacturing. Ever wondered how those balls are made? Join me for an insider's look at the precision and tech behind crafting these iconic sports essentials. Let's dive in. So let's first see how tennis balls are made.